Hi everyone, welcome to the video. My name is Yvette Priscilla, and in today's video I am going to be showing you how to install Amazing Beauty hair extensions and how to blend them in flawlessly with your own hair. I am excited to do this video for you guys. First and foremost, before I continue, I would love to thank everyone at Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions for sending me this product so that I could review it and share these tips and tricks on how to blend your beautiful hair with their amazing product. Let's go and continue with the video. In your order with Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions, you will receive an Amazing Beauty hair comb, an Amazing Beauty hair extension clip, and one set of extra hair extension tape. And finally, your beautiful hair product. In your order of tape and extensions, you will receive 20 individual extensions, equaling out to 10 hair sandwiches. Very important to note when you are ordering for your own hair. Your extensions will come pre-installed with tape, so you will just be removing that little white strip and placing it directly on your hair. It is beautiful and soft and 100% human hair. The first step to achieving a beautiful, flawless blend, we are going to be curling our hair extensions. Go ahead and grab your hair clip and clip it to anything that works for you. I am going to use this tablecloth, and you are going to only curl from the center down, and that is going to blend beautifully when we go to curl our own hair. Release the curl carefully and set it aside. Be careful not to burn yourself, and continue the same process with every single extension. The next step is curling our own hair. Go ahead and grab a comb and part your hair wherever you'd like your final look to be. I am going to part it to the side. Continue with the process of curling your entire hair. Go ahead and only curl the bottom half of your head, exactly how you did your hair extensions. Your hair and the hair extension is going to meet at the center, and it is going to blend beautifully and flawlessly. When you are done curling your beautiful hair, you are ready for the drum roll, please. The installation. I'm going to part it the same way that I parted my hair when I was curling it. Use a hair tie or clips. If you use a hair tie like I am, just make sure it's not too tight so you don't mess up your curls. Okay, we're just putting it aside so it's not in our way. Okay, so we're gonna start on this side. We're gonna start from the bottom up. So we're gonna part it from the bottom first. You can use your Amazing Beauty hair comb if you'd like, whatever works for you, but the lines do not have to be extremely perfect. Okay, I'm gonna use just a little bit more, and we're gonna follow a 1-finger rule throughout our entire head today. Okay, so the 1-finger rule is you wanna make sure you have 1 finger here on the side and 1 finger left on this side. So you're gonna put your tape and extension right in the center. The next thing you're gonna do is make sure your hair extensions are ready to go. So go ahead and remove the tape from 2 hair extensions. Okay, there you go. And leave it upside up on a table or wherever you're gonna put your hair. So remember, we're following 1 finger here, 1 finger here. So our hair extension is gonna go right there. Grab your hair extension and right there, and you're gonna press it down. Lift up your hair extension lightly, not to remove it from your hair, and pick up a little bit of your hair underneath. Flip it upside down. Okay, so that's perfect. So you should be able to see it enough, and you should be able to have enough hair there. You're gonna grab your hair extension and place it right on top, and place a sticky part right on top of the other one so it's kind of upside down, and boom, squeeze it like a little sandwich. And there you have your first extension in your hair. Don't worry about the curls if they're not completely intact or intertwining together. We will get to that when we are done with all of our hair. But there you go. You see how it blends in beautifully because you have curls? It almost looks like you have these beautiful layers. Okay, so continue the same process with your whole head. I'm going to show you guys how to do one more so you can see the full process of each hair extension, okay? So now what you're going to do is you're going to grab enough hair to cover the extension you have on already. Okay, so this hair, you're going to leave it over your hair extension. The next part you're going to do is the part that you're going to use for your hair extension to lay on. So it can be fairly thin. Okay, so this is what my hair extension is going to go on, okay? And again, grab your next set of hair extensions, remove the tape, and make sure there's a finger rule on both sides, placing your hair extension right in the center. Pick up the hair extension carefully, grab that thin layer of your own hair that's going to cover the hair extension. Right there, that's perfect. You see that? And then place your other extension right on top like a little sandwich. Right there. Boom. And that's what it's gonna look like. I only have a few in, but look how beautiful with the black hair over. And later when we style it, it's just gonna look like a beautiful black to brown ombre. So continue the same process for your whole entire head. As you begin to work your way up, your hairline is going to start to widen out a little bit, and you will notice that you will be able to fit more than one extension, even following the one finger rule on each side. So what I recommend is once you reach that widened angle of your hairline, go ahead and place 2 by each side. You will know when the time comes. That rule will also apply to the back of your head. Continue to follow this same pattern and you will not be able to see your hair extension from your hairline, and you will have the beautiful flawless blend of your hair with the extensions. As you get closer to where you parted your hair, don't get too close to your part so you won't see the hair extension up above. Get close enough to where your hair is blending, but not too close because the hair extension will show. Okay, and we are done with this side. Don't freak out if your hair doesn't look 100% blended. We will fix that later. Go ahead and continue the same process on the other side. So I am done with this side and I am done with this side. I have not styled it yet. I just installed the tape-ins. Now for the back of your head, you're gonna put most of it up and you're gonna leave just a little bit down. Now, this hair is the hair that kind of sneaks up behind you and kind of like wraps around your neck, and it's gonna give you away. It's gonna give you away that you have hair extensions in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our little rubber band or your bigger one. A little one is preferred, especially if you have shorter hair than me, okay? And you're just gonna grab it and you're gonna hide it. We're gonna just put it in a little ponytail. You can braid it and clip it to your hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and hide it underneath in like a little tiny bun, and we're done. The back of your head can feel intimidating because, well, we don't have eyes back there. So here are 2 things I recommend. The first thing is continue to follow that 2 extension setup just as you did on the side of your head. Continue that until you get close to the crown of your head. The second thing I recommend is once you get to the crown, stop right below it. Right at that spot is where we get like that little pillow circle when we go to sleep, and your extension will show over time. So place the last one right beneath it. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like with 2 packs in. Because I tied the back, there's nothing wrapping around my neck, so it's perfectly blended on the back. Now, to finish your flawless blending, you're gonna get all of your leftover pieces and you're gonna go through your hair and you're gonna look for like chunks. Here's a chunk, for example, okay? You're gonna grab this chunk, you're gonna grab a piece, divide it in half, and you're gonna put a hair extension right in there, as long as it's not showing from any of the sides. So that's what you're gonna do with your leftover pieces. And I am done with my hair. All I need to do now is go ahead and style it if I want. I went in and I put in some extra sandwiches where I felt one needed to go. Otherwise, this is the final look. I am so pleased with this hair. I am blown away with how beautiful it looks, and actually also how light it feels in my hair. I have a total of 3 packets in my head, and I can move my head around. I just don't feel uncomfortable. It feels so good on my head as well. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you have any questions, please leave that in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a beautiful day, night, week, weekend, wherever you are in the world. Make it a good one. I will see you in the next video.